Okay, welcome everybody. Good morning, Joe.
Good morning.
Okay, so today we're going to make a big leap into collaborative MindMups and something that is productive and important for what we do. So what everybody should do is have their MindMup open and also go into your Google Drive and open a new document. And don't worry about titling the document right now. Just open a new document. So it says untitled document. Do you need a new marker? No, I have a couple other black ones here. I'm confused as to which one is which. Okay, so the name of the document should be, well, there's a glare right there, but it should be CT for Chow Tutti, MindMup, June 2015, V as in version 1A. That should be the name of your document.
MindMup, got 1A.
What is the end part?
V1A. V is in version 1A.
Oh.
Okay, Ed,
Yes.
some of the students are saying that when they open their MindMup, they don't get all the, on the title bars, like the extension.
Okay, so that's probably because they're opening the desktop version.
Okay, the desktop, we're opening the other version.
It's the one with the small icon, but this is, we're just in Docs right now. We're not in MindMup.
Okay, we're in Docs right now. So you get that.
So this document is where you take notes, and then you have something to refer to. Okay, so we are going to create a MindMup that is going to be collaborative for a business. Okay? Now here, everybody will work on the projects that you're working on, but we're going to have some different assignments because some people aren't here. In California, Dennis, we want you to break everybody up into groups. One group should be called the Bay Area.
Okay.
One group should be called Los Angeles.
Okay.
One group should be called San Diego.
Okay.
And you should put 3 people on each group.
Okay.
And if you have more than 9 people, create additional groups in LA. So you have LA1, LA2, LA3, etc.
Okay.
Okay, and so for here, we have Las Vegas,
Okay, so
right? We have
yeah,
New Orleans,
here, and
Providence,
But there isn't.
we have Boston, in Chicago, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now here, on the New Orleans team, right now, we're making some changes. So this is Jesse and Dawn. Okay? So Dawn, you're moving off of Las Vegas. On the Providence team, it's Suzanne, and then you're going to pick somebody else. Okay? Because the rest of your people aren't here. Did you notice that?
Yes.
Okay. Chicago, Tim, and you're going to have to do the same thing. Las Vegas is Ed and Rachel. Okay? Now, Julia, you'll do this for your project. You just focus on, you do what we're doing in parallel. Okay, so whatever we're doing on Chow Tuti, you're doing for the doctors. Let's see, I think, and then Velvet and Monica, you are going to be floaters, but when you're not floating, you will work on one of these projects. So Monica, since you're next to Suzanne, we'll put you there. So you're a floater number one. If you're not helping someone else, then work on Providence. And Velvet, you might as well be on Las Vegas.
Velvet's going to Vegas.
Yeah. Or should we put?
We're going to need somebody with Tim.
Well, who was Boston?
We don't have anybody.
Who was Boston here?
Nobody yet.
Who was Boston yesterday? Nobody remembers? Okay. Okay, good. So Dwayne is here. So Dwayne was, Dwayne, what were you working on yesterday? What map? Okay, good.
All right, so you're going to put me back to Chicago?
Okay, so Dwayne is Chicago. Okay, Tim? We don't have any other helpers. Oh, Rosie. Rosie, do you remember what you were working on? Okay, so we'll put you over on New Orleans also.
No.
We don't really need Velvet for Las Vegas, right? We're going to move Velvet to...
She's pretty.
Well, we don't have anyone else.
You can always go back and change.
So, Velvet, we're going to put you on New Orleans also. And we'll put Phyllis here. Because Phyllis is already working in Las Vegas on this stuff, okay?
So,
So, is there anybody here who's not on the board?
Okay, they're here. Okay,
Huh? Who, Dwayne?
You'll be LA. That'd be LA. Okay, LA is here.
And Dwayne, do you know if Ronnie's going to be here?
Yeah,
You know he is going to be, or you know
I
he's
know
not?
he's going to be here.
Okay. So we can't put Ronnie there.
So Bay Area.
Okay, so we'll put Ronnie in Providence also. Who? Who's that? Robert's new, right? Just starting today? Okay, so he's not ready for this. Oh, we've got Safira. Oh, that's right.
Tim's pretty sharp.
Tim, how committed are you to Chicago? Do you care if it's Chicago or Boston? Okay. So What was I just going to put down? Oh, Safira.
Yeah, yeah. So we want this that.
Okay. And this P. Tell us.
You're gonna be with. Okay. So you all be LA. Okay.
Okay, so we don't have anybody for Boston. Mike? Well, Mike's not here. Okay. All right, so does everybody know where they are on here? Okay, so you have it written down. So when we come back to this next week, nobody's going to say, I don't remember what I was doing. I can't figure it out. Okay, so just in case. Correct. Z, where's Z? Okay. Well, no, we didn't remember him, but he will be Rhode Island. So that means Monica, does it matter to you? Okay, so when you're not a floater, then you're Boston. And Ronnie shows up. We'll have Ronnie.
Things we do, right? Yeah.
Huh? Who? Keith's right here. Keith, you, Z. Right?
I don't go out. So, I social. So, not
So California. Okay, so Dennis, are you set in California?
Yes, we have our team. Everyone's set at their, we've got our mind maps ready and the document is ready. Waiting to see what we need to type in there.
Okay. So now, on your document, you should have what you are. You should have the city for where you are.
Okay, that city for where you are. If you're LA, Bay Area, or San Diego.
Team members. Okay, who else is on your team?
And who's on the team?
Yeah. Los Angeles.
Then go to your MindMup.
Maria's in it, right?
Yeah, put your, on here you want to put the name of your area first of all. And then who's on your team? Who's on your team?
Claudia.
Name of the area, who's on the team? Just put your Bay Area, and then then who's on the team?
Are we adding?
How you doing over there, Bay Area? You okay? Okay. So just put Bay Area and all your team members.
And what's your name? N-E. Oh, N-A. Wait, N-A? Well, I guess we yes, the input. Okay. That's okay. And then now you select the
Stop.
Okay, good.
Wait a minute. So that's going in your docs, right?
What?
In the docs is the Bay Area, and I mean, is your area and the team member. That's in your docs, correct?
The team, yeah, that's on their document. Right, that is on the doc.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Good morning, Gina and Mike.
Right, because then.
Let's see.
Boston, we got Monica floating back and forth.
You know you can
Okay, good.
collaborate.
Let's add Gina and Mike to Boston.
Yes, right. You just not yet.
Okay, so we're creating new teams. You guys are both on the Boston team. So what we need you to do is open a document, go to Docs when you got your computer going, open a blank document, and maybe, Monica, you could share your document with them. Because you're Boston, right? Yeah, okay, good. And Monica will share her document with you guys. Then you first make a copy of it so that it's yours. So you're not collaborating on her doc. So as soon as you open up the doc, file, make a copy, and then it'll be your doc once you save it. Okay, now, who remembers what the 4 functions of every business are? Because that's what we're going to put on our MindMup. So our MindMup should look like what it looks like on the screen.
You mean like marketing, advertising, and?
Yeah, so what are the 4 functions of any business? So we're going to add those to this MindMup.
But operation?
Yeah, so we're making a brand new MindMup. Yeah. Okay, but first of all, hold on. Before everybody starts making a map, I forgot. This is a collaborative. So one person on the team,
Listen, what would be
so it should be the senior person on a team, is the one that creates the map. Okay, so who do we have for Las Vegas? Who is that? Ed? Oh, Phyllis. Okay, Phyllis. Phyllis. New Orleans. Are you, Jesse, you're New Orleans? Okay, so you create the map. Not the map, the MUP. Providence. Suzanne. Monica. Is she sharing a document with you? No, not the MindMup, the document that we the CT. Yeah. Okay. Providence.
These are the
Chicago.
team leaders.
Who's Chicago? Tim. And Boston.
Ronnie, Gina, Mike, and Monica.
And Monica. Okay. So, Phyllis, Jesse, Suzanne, Tim, Monica. You should have a MindMup that looks like this on your screen. You don't put Chattahoochee business, you put the name of the city. So New Orleans or NOLA. So Jesse, New Orleans, they don't call it New Orleans, they call it NOLA. They call it NOLA. Like that.
so
No.
Why?
New Orleans.
Yeah. New Orleans, Louisiana. That's an acronym.
Okay, same thing. The NOLA, that's what they say, that's what
They do say that. Okay. So yours should say NOLA, Chicago, Suzanne is Providence, Monica is Boston. So in that center, it should say there. Now, we need to turn on the collaborative. We need to turn on collaboration.
So they should have a team leader doing this in California as well?
Yeah. So Dennis, you're doing this in California as well. One person creates the MindMup. Okay, Dennis?
okay.
One person on each team creates the MindMup, and then they're going to share it. So what I'm going to show you right now is how we do that.
Okay.
Okay? So your screen should look like this. Now, right above the Save button is a picture of a person with 3 heads, sort of. So click on that. And then you push Start. Okay? And then you should have a box pop up on your screen like that.
Okay. I don't see that.
Because we're on the other side.
No, it doesn't have that.
Yeah, he already had it.
I mean, you have the,
Go to where it says Extensions. Go to that page.
does anybody else have that little icon?
No.
Straight line. The bottom 2. Okay, so Dennis, so what everybody should do in MindMup is click on Extensions.
Oh, extension.
First, click on Extensions. Click on these first 3 boxes that show up on the screen: Real-Time Collaboration, Progress, and Straight Lines.
Okay, so got it. And straight line. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, you should be able to click on the little guy above the Start button, above the Save button. Click Start.
Wait a minute.
Type your city name. No, you guys aren't doing it yet.
You have to. Okay, we need to. Okay. Yeah.
And then click Start.
Okay.
The collaborative map name should be just the name of your city. Okay? Okay, now the next thing you need to do is again push that button.
Okay.
Okay? Push that button again. And it's going to say, a box is going to open up, it's going to say invite collaborators. Okay, so Jesse, are you there? Tim? Suzanne? Monica? Whose team is Ronnie on?
I was on Providence.
Yeah, I wrote it down. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah.
Ronnie's on Boston. Okay, so now we're going to click on Invite Collaborators. So I just clicked the Invite Collaborators button. And here you need to enter people's names.
Your team members.
And if you have your contact list properly done, as you should, all you would need to do is enter their names and it'll come up with who they are. It'll recognize them. Okay, if you have not set your contacts up the way you should, then you're going to have to put in their email address. Okay, so everybody right now find out the other people on your team, and maybe what we need to do is get
Oh, you know, it's 5 to 9, 15.
I know, but I gotta put it in.
The name and then the number.
PA.
Okay, Monica, Which team are you doing? Okay, so write your email address in that, Suzanne. Write your email address, pass it to the other people on your team. Just email all of these. And then share just so we have it. By your email address. Yeah. So Phyllis did something else. We found out everybody had that problem. So she did something else. But we don't need to worry about that MindMup from earlier. We'll take care of that one later. Okay.
Whatever, and then it says send it in.
Does anybody need help?
I need a bigger person to send it to.
No, I already did that and I sent it, and then it came up again.
Whose team is running on? Who's from Boston?
Okay,
Great stuff.
LTCV, LTCLV.run.
Oh, you want me to write yours?
Unless I cancel.
Hang on. Tell us, what is your LTCLV email?
3215.
Okay.
I sent it to you and to Zip. Yeah,
I think I just sent another person.
and then I canceled it. Okay, how do I do it?
On the system. There we go.
Collaboration. Invited. I should do that.
Okay, so if you see my screen, these are the people I've added to the map that I'm creating. Okay, so who's not done? Okay, Dennis, is everybody there ready?
Are we ready?
Has everybody done the?
Are we waiting on the email?
Everybody's invited collaborators?
Yeah, that's what we're working on, collaboration right now.
Okay, good.
So we just
So now, the other people who are the collaborators
Yes, I have mine here.
should do what?
Did you write it down? Yes. Okay, good. Wait, yeah. I think everybody's here.
Okay, so the other people should go there.
yeah, that's what. Okay. Gotcha. You okay? Need help?
Okay, so now, the people who are collaborating, you should go and click that button and look for, what is it called? When you click up that box, it looks like that. What comes up? No, not you, the other people. So, Dawn. when you click on the
Collaboration.
that button,
Download, we're gonna find out. Click on it.
collaborators,
Yeah.
There you are.
Invite and leave.
No, mine says online
Okay, and
collaborators
just
and
wait
has a
for
box with all their
everybody. You're
pictures.
there.
okay, good. So, so there should be a thing for the collaborators to join the session. So, Safira, how did you join mine? Okay, so go to your email. The other people on the team, go to your email. How do we get to email? How do we get to email?
And apps.
Well, that's one way, or the best way is the 9-square grid up on the upper right. Huh?
And we just click the box on the top. Collaboration, and then join existing session,
Okay.
and then it'll pop up.
So when you have collaboration, you mean you click the little guy, the collaborator guy?
It says collaboration, and then it'll say, join existing session.
Okay. So the other way to do it is to click on your little collaborator guy, and it says join existing session. Yes, Rosie.
She's there.
How do I do it?
What is that?
As far as I got.
It's this little, it's over the save. Okay, so who, okay, so I see Monica, you're in mine. Do you have 2 maps going, Monica? Good. You have 3? Okay, I see you on mine.
Okay, so they just haven't opened it. Okay, keep this business. I don't know what.
Okay, so,
So they just haven't opened it. So you just stay where you're at. And keep doing what you're
okay,
doing.
so Jesse, do you see who's collaborating with you? Okay, so click on the little man.
Yeah, I didn't invite
I
mine.
didn't get your email.
I got back to collaborate.
I didn't send you one.
Oh, that's why I didn't get it.
Yes, exactly. So we're tracking, we're good.
Yeah, probably on the first to do that.
Okay, so Jesse, do you see your collaborators? Yes. Okay, so who's on your team? Dawn, right?
Rosie, Dawn, Rosie.
Dawn?
What's your
You
number?
should click on this little guy.
Yeah, because you're the floater.
Close your map.
Close my mouth?
Yeah, because you've got a map going.
No.
Jesse has a map that you need to join.
He's on it.
Oh, how could you join? Okay, so to start over,
I've done that with.
what's that? Okay, so we need to make sure everybody
How do I?
who's
How
on
do I
the team,
communicate with them?
do you have anybody showing? Who do you have? Good, okay, so you're good. How about you, Julie? Your collaborators are collaborating? How about you?
I'm not online with anybody yet.
They haven't opened it because he's busy and he's doing something back there, I don't know what, so nobody's opened it first.
Who else did you share it with?
Monica.
Monica, you're on there, right?
Who's not on it?
So you need to be able to show your collaborators.
Well, you can add it.
I'm on yours.
I just keep making it.
Okay, now, when people are in there, okay, so the other thing is that you'll see when you have people collaborating, are they like this on yours, Tim?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you see people on yours?
Yeah, Monica now.
Okay, good. I have Monica. Tim, you have some? Jesse, you still on? And what about Boston? Boston.
Larson's right here, we got all of our collaborators, I don't see Gina anymore.
Ronnie, Gina, and Mike.
Okay, so Gina, you were on, but you need to go back and get on. So Monica saw you, but you're not
She's on there
there.
with Ronnie.
Okay. Okay. Now people can do things on the map and collaborate. And now we can collaborate. So, create, so team leaders create a sub-node child. And what are the 4 departments in any business? Good.
Collaborate.
Okay.
Right.
Sales.
There we go.
Okay. Operations.
How many?
Okay. So everybody create these 4 subnodes. Now what you're going to find is you don't want to have everybody creating the same one.
Okay.
Okay? So you should have your MindMup should look like this right now. Okay, now, in your marketing sales, create 2 subnodes. One is called marketing, and the other one's called sales. Okay?
So that's off sales and marketing?
What?
Is that off sales and marketing?
Yeah, it's a subnode of sales and marketing. So there's 4 functions in a business. Marketing and sales. Okay, we are not going to be dealing with finance.
And then child.
Okay? Now, Ed, how are you doing? Good. So your team is on board? Right there. Good. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is open your notepad in your main node. Okay? So open your notepad in the main node. So click on where the center node, the grandparent,
Yes.
and hit the A button. Right. Okay, hit the A button.
Click on it. No, hit it. Okay, where are you at? Which one are we in?
Whichever one Dwayne is on, whichever team, the main node. Okay, good. Now, we're going to start doing some white paper like stuff on our mind map of terms of what is the magazine for? What are we doing here? So in your main node, so this main node in the center, everybody have a notepad opened up. Everybody have a notepad opened up, Gina?
Yes, it does.
You do, Monica?
I don't know.
Notepad? Nobody? Notepad. So this is called a notepad. Okay? So here we're going to type in what we're doing with this magazine. Okay, so these are just the important overall general notes. I'll start putting them on the board.
Because you can only have one in there. So what you want to do is add a child to it. Okay, and then click on it, and then hit
The goal equals 4,000, let's say 5,000.
Click here, click here. See what I'm saying? I don't know what you've done. Well, you have to title it first. That's what it is. So you're gonna put
5,000 subscribers by the year 2020 in your market.
You could add a child.
At
Title it 1A.
$20 per year.
But you can only have one page in. No. And then you can color it yellow if you like. So you know what it is. That's the main one. Go over here to your colors. You know how to color it, right? Okay.
So the magazine is distributed free through distributors. What kind of distributors do we have? Think about the map, right? Restaurants,
Okay, and then say.
barber shops, hotels, okay,
Click on it and hit A.
and professionals,
You're welcome.
pizza parlors, okay, stuff like that. So, so this magazine is distributed. People can pick it up for free from these kinds of locations in the city that you're in through distributors. What we want them to do is to like it and say, you know what, I don't want to have to go get this for free every month. What I'd like to do is have it mailed to me, have it come to my house. And it's only $20. So in each city, we would like to get 5,000 subscribers by the year 2020. That's our goal. Why? Okay, well, imagine that you are an Italian company. You're a company in Italy and you want to sell in the United States. Why would you want to sell in the United States? Okay, because this is where the money is. This is the biggest economy in the world per person, or it is period right now. So, if you're an Italian company that wants to sell in the United States, you can do it the old-fashioned way, the way you're doing it today, or what if you could be right in touch with Italian-American buyers directly? You don't have to mass market because now you've got 75,000 of them that are subscribing to a magazine. So let's say you make Fiat cars. Who might buy Fiats? Italian Americans, right? Italian Americans might buy Fiats. Or you make Italian wine, or Italian suits, or Italian shoes, or Italian sunglasses, or Italian sauce, or Italian sparkling water. If you want to sell to Italian Americans, this would be the best place to advertise, right? Because you go right to those people. If somebody would spend $20 a year to subscribe to a magazine because they like being Italian American, this is a great way to do it. But we have to have the numbers. We have to be broad, meaning we have to cover the whole country, and we have to be deep, meaning we've got to have at least 5,000 people in each of those markets. Okay? So what each of us are trying to do in our market is get 5,000 people to subscribe. The best way to get them to subscribe is what? What would the strategy be? What's the Italian strategy? The ragu strategy. Try it, you'll like it. Okay, try it, you'll like it. Pick up the magazine, read it, you'll like it. We really, really, really want you to subscribe. And then we'll have to give them other reasons to subscribe. Okay? So these are notes that you should have in that main note on your notepad. Because what did we learn about calendars, I think it was? If you don't know where you're going, if you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. Okay? So we need to know where we're going. We're going to get 5,000 subscribers in each one of these major markets. That's what we're going to do. How are we going to do it? We're going to have a magazine distributed for free through distributors. What's a distributor? A distributor is a restaurant, barbershop, places that Italian Americans might go. Why do we have barbershops on here? Okay, most guys get their haircuts about once a month. So if we had every barbershop in the city with 5 to 10 magazines, guess what? We could probably hit 90% of the Italian American males that are there. Maybe beauty salons work the same thing, but my hunch is women don't get their hair done every month. Is that true or not? Okay. Hence, we don't have beauty salons. Okay. Italian restaurants, of course, those are number one. But it's an interesting thing. If you really are Italian American, you don't always go out to eat to Italian restaurants. Why?
Because you like to cook at home.
Yeah, because your mother or your wife cooks food, and nobody cooks like your mother or your wife. So one of our members of the club, one of the advertisers, Mark Rondazza, I said, what are the good Italian restaurants in, he's from Gloucester, Boston, fishing town. I said, where are the good Italian restaurants there? Because they have a huge Italian American community of fishermen. He said, we don't have Italian restaurants here. People don't go out for Italian food that are Italian. They eat at home. Okay, so it's not always, Italian restaurants aren't always the best place to get Italian people. It depends on the community. Barbershops, because people need to get their haircuts. Hotels, maybe, maybe not. Hotels, because the people going to the hotel are people that are traveling, right? They don't live there. Why professionals? Why? Okay, because of the waiting room, right? And the people who are going to a professional have money, right? Especially if you're going to a lawyer, you have money. You could afford to advertise, not advertise, but you can afford to subscribe to the magazine. And the fundamental way we want to get people to subscribe is try it, you'll like it. Okay, so that should be in your notes. Oh, okay, it's break time. So tomorrow, what we're going to do is everybody's going to get assigned to one of those departments. Okay, so that you're only going to focus on operations or administration or sales and sales or marketing, because there's a lot of things involved in getting a magazine published and produced. It's not just selling, it's the whole thing. So we're going to work on that tomorrow. So you should just hit save. Okay, and now it's break time. Yeah.
Ask you if you want to save it. So it's not let you on Twitter or if you either confirm it or not. No, just you're on.
Dennis, anything quick? What?
But you're right now.
It says autosave it. Aha. Oh, autosave. Aha.
Okay, now, what were you saying, Dennis?
No, you shit with your gold.
I can't make out what you're saying. You break up after about 3 words.
Should we copy the gold you were writing?
No. So, save to Drive. Save to Google Drive, not Gold.
Oh.
Everything should be to the Google Drive.
Okay, but writing, right. We're saying the goal, you're writing. The goal.
Oh, yes, the goal, yeah.
Oh, okay. And we were trying to copy that. We didn't find out.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish it on my end.
Okay.
So, and I've shared it with you.
Okay, then I'll come with the class.
Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow we're gonna get people on their part of the project.
Okay, thanks, Ed.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
See you, Joe.
Bye.